Yes, hello students. Previous class we had derived with two equations. Equation of a line passing through two given points. Then equation of a line passing through a point which is parallel to vector B. So equation of a line which is passing through a vector B. Other the formula enitta R is equal to A plus lambda times of B. Through 2 points kottaga R is equal to A plus lambda times of B minus A. ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು again in Cartesian form also we had seen. Cartesian form ittandra if it is one point through parallel vector B ittandra x minus x1 divided by A that is equal to y minus y1 divided by B equal to z minus z1 divided by C. Other same thing 2 points iddaga x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. Two very important derivations in vector form as well as in Cartesian form we have seen. So next we shall see the examples based on that. So what is the question given here? Find the vector equation for the lines passing through the points minus 1, 0, 2 and 3, 4, 6. Just compare ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 0 2 and 3 4 6 2 points are given. Okay, you have to find the vector equation for this. Vector equation is given by R is equal to A plus lambda times of what? B minus A. Okay, ಈ formula ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ. So A is what? Vector with respect to the point A, that is x1 y1 z1. Okay, then B is what? It is with the respect to point B2, that is x2 y2 z2. Okay, so position vector A ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ with respect to x1 y1 z1, B ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ x2 y2 z2. So ಈ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು A ಬರಿಬೋದು, that is equal to what? -1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus I plus 0 into J will be 0 plus 2 times of K. Okay, I write B also now. B is with respect to this 3I plus 4J plus 6 times of K. So both the vectors I have written. Now I do B minus A. B minus A is equal to 3I 3 minus of -1 into I plus 4 minus 0 into J cap plus 6 minus 2 into K cap. So this is equal to 3 minus into minus plus 3 plus 1 4 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 6 minus 2 is 4 times of K cap. This is what B minus A. If I want to write the vector equation, question in kelara, find the vector equation. So vector equation is what? R. R is equal to A. What is A? I plus 2 times of K plus lambda times of B minus A. What is B minus A? 4I plus 4J plus 4 times of K. So this is your vector equation. So what they have asked, they have given you 2 points -1 0 2 and 3 4 6. ಇದೆರಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೀವು, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ A and ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ B. Okay, then you have to write the vector equation. Vector equation ಏನು? R is equal to A plus lambda times of B minus A. If they have asked in Cartesian form, again you have to change. But this is the question based on vector equation. So this is the vector equation of the line. Okay. So second, one more example we shall see. The Cartesian equation of a line is x plus 3 divided by 2 equal to y minus 5 divided by 4 equal to z plus 6 divided by 2. So ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗದ ನಿಮಗೀಗ? If you compare it, it is in which form? X minus x1 divided by A equal to y minus y1 divided by B equal to z minus z1 divided by C. Correct? So this is equation of a line which is passing through a point and parallel to the vector B. So therefore it is in this form. So x1 value enagtada, comparing these two equation, x1 value will be minus 3, x2 value will be equal to 5, and y1 value will be equal to 5, and z1 value will be equal to minus 6. So idunu compare madri, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x1 ಏನಾಗ್ತದ minus 3 ಆಗ್ತದ, y1 value 5, z1 value minus 6. Next, a value 2, b value 4, c value is 2. Okay, thus what happens, the required line passes through which point? It passes through this point, minus 3, 5, minus 6. This is the point for you. And it passes through the vector equation, that is 2i plus 4 times of j plus 2 times of k. Okay, so a vector, it is passing through the point and it is parallel to this vector b. So when it is parallel to the vector b, you have r is equal to what? A plus lambda times of b. Correct? So a is what? It is a vector with respect to the position vector x1, y1, z1. So I write now, it will be minus 3i plus 5j minus 6 times of k. Okay, so illi r is equal to minus 3i plus 5j minus 6k plus lambda times of b value 2i plus 4j plus 2 times of k. Okay, Cartesian form ola kottara, Cartesian form standard form joti comparison ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು x1, y1, z1 ಬರಿತೇನೆ. ಇವ ಏನು points ನಿಮ್ದು a point, that is coordinate points x1, y1, z1. What are the points? minus 3, 5, 6, minus 6. Okay, a, b, c ಅಂದ್ರೆ direction ratios. What are those? 2, 4 and 2. Okay, you know that b, it is given by ai plus b times of j plus c times of k. Using this, I have written a value is how much? 2, b value is 4 and c value is 2. Comparing that, I have written this. So a plus lambda b, this is the equation of a line. So a plus lambda b, a value is this, plus lambda times of vector b value is this. Okay, so this is the Cartesian equation of a line is given. You have to write it with the question is what? Find the vector equation. Cartesian equation ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು vector equation ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you have to write it in this form. Okay, simple examples like this only will be given most of the times. Okay, next we have to derive with distance, shortest distance between two lines. Shortest distance between two lines kin madla nimge ಏನದ angle between two lines is there, but angle between two lines is not there for the syllabus. In the reduced syllabus it has been deleted. So angle between two lines, angle between a plane and a line, angle between two planes, these three concepts are deleted. These three I'll explain it in the last class. Okay, in last session we shall take this. So next I have to take with distance, that is what? Shortest distance I call. Okay, shortest distance between two lines. So ಈಗ ಎರಡು lines ಅಂದ್ರೆ, for example we take two intersecting lines. What is the distance between this? Shortest distance, it will be 0, because we cannot measure what is the shortest distance for two intersecting lines. If we take two parallel lines like this, then the perpendicular distance is known as what? Shortest distance. For two parallel lines, the perpendicular distance itself is what? The shortest distance. Okay, if there are non-parallel, if they are not parallel and they are non-coplanar, if they are not existing in the same lines, same plane ಒಳಗೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, parallel ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಲೈನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಲೈನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, ನಾಟ್ planar, even they are not intersecting also. They never intersect also. Such lines are known as what? Skew lines. For example, if you take a three-dimensional geometry like this. So, ಒಂದು 3D space ತಗೋತೀರಿ x, y, z. I construct one imaginary part here. Okay, with some A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, then this line or this line. These are what? These are skew lines. They are not even parallel. They are not even on the same plane. Okay, in a plane it is little difficult to show about 3D because 3-dimensional couldn't be shown on a 2D plane. Okay, difficult ಅದ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು 3D ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ನಾಗ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಇವೆರಡು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅನಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಸ್ಕೀವ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ distance between two skew lines. So two skew lines, distance between two parallel lines. These two conditions you have to derive the equations. Okay. So here I have written the derivation for distance between two skew lines. So L1 and L2 we have taken them as what? Two skew lines. Means they are non-parallel as well as they are not intersecting. Okay. Now I write two position vectors for them. R is equal to A1 plus lambda times of B1 and R is equal to A2 plus mu times of B2. Okay. Next, I take A is 1 point on this T point. Okay. That is what? A1 vector on line L2. With the position vector what? A2 I am taking. Then magnitude of the shortest distance will be what? It will be a projection on this line ST. ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎನ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಲೈನ್ L2. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಎನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅವಾಗ? B1 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ B2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ B1 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ B2. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ PQ. PQ is what now? PQ will be the shortest distance now. Okay. So PQ is equal to D into n cap. D is what here? D is the magnitude of the shortest distance. This derivation is not asked, but the formula you have to remember. Okay. Then I take theta be the angle between ST and PQ. From the diagram if you see, if you have to take some angle between these two lines, so that angle they have taken it as theta. Then you can write PT is equal to ST into cos theta. This is the formula for cos theta. That is what? PQ dot product with ST divided by modulus of PQ into modulus of this. You might be knowing A dot B divided by mod of A into mod of B. This is cos theta formula. So PQ we had written it as D into n cap and ST is what? Vector A2 minus vector A1 divided by D into ST. Okay. Why? Because this is we are taking it as A2 point, this is A1 point. If you want the distance between these two, that itself we are taking it as what? A2 minus A1 and this PQ we have taken it as distance into ST as it is. PQ under the shortest distance. So either the already ನೀವು n cap in ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರಿ. What is that? B1 cross B2 divided by B1 B2 magnitude. Dot product with A2 minus A1 as it is into ST. Okay. So again we know that what is the formula for ST. So shortest distance ಈಗ formula ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. What it is? B1 cross B2 dot product A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. This is the formula to derive the shortest distance between two skew lines. what is the formula? B1 cross B2 dot product with A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. Okay, what are A1, A2, B1, B2? They are the vectors which are given with respect to the two lines. Okay, either same derivation if you want to write it in Cartesian form. Cartesian form you know. Okay, L1 line andre x minus x1 divided by a1, x minus y1 divided by a2, b1 and z minus z1 divided by c1. Okay, what about L2 line? It is x minus x2 divided by a2, y minus y2 divided by b2, z minus z2 divided by c2. A1, b1, c1 are direction ratios of the first line. A2, b2, c2 are the direction ratios of the second line. x1, y1, z1 are coordinate points. x2, y2, z2 are also coordinate points. So ಇದನ್ನ solve ಮಾಡೋದು Cartesian form ನಾಗ. In case two lines ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ form ನಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ this formula you have to write to find the shortest distance. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Either the determinant value whole divided by. This is indicating what? Magnitude. Why magnitude? Because distance will never be negative. To take the distance, if it comes negative also, you have to take it positive. Positive na tagobeka. So, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? root of. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? First one, ಈ column, ಈ row ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square. Plus, ಈ column, row ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. a1 c2 minus c1 a2 whole square. Okay. Plus, ಈ column, ಈ row ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. So this is the formula when it is in Cartesian form. Remember both the formula. When it is in vector form, what is the formula? Shortest distance is equal to b1 cross b2 dot product with a2 minus a1 divided by modulus of b1 into b2. If it is in Cartesian form, you have to write it in the form of a determinant. Clear? So this is the shortest distance between two skew lines. Skew lines means what? They are non-coplanar as well as they are not intersecting, as well as they are not even parallel. For such lines you have to find the distance. Next concept what we have is distance between two parallel lines. For that also you have one formula. Then after deriving that formula, we have to move to the exercise number 11.2. Okay. So next class I'll be explaining you the distance between two parallel lines. Then we shall see the examples based on these two lines. Both examples on distance between two parallel lines and distance between two skew lines. Then exercise number 11.2 we shall solve it in the next class. Thank you.